Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is February 9th, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. All right, so as you can see for the day, we gapped up. This is probably because of good Disney earnings, and we had some jobless claims data that came out pre-market and was better than expected. So we had this gap up, and right off the bat, you could see that it tried to fill the gap. It failed. The bears failed. Tried to rally, that failed, and we kind of bounced around here. Gave up all the way over here, tried to hold this as support for a little bit, and started trending down, creating new lower lows, and continuing this trend throughout the day. So unfortunately, I got trapped today, as one would expect when you gap up about 1% and finish about 1% lower. So let's take a look at the trades. These are the calls, and these were entered first, these two calls, and then I proceeded to enter the puts. Now they're all gone here because I had to roll them out and down. So we had puts. This is a long one today. We had these are, one second, these are, that's a call. This is a put, so 41.25. That was the highest put, and that one was at $540. And then the next I kind of put up as backup puts. So actually, if you take a look at this one earned $880, this put right here, and this was entered at 1:34 Eastern time. And if we look at the graph, the chart, if we look at the chart, that was right here. And as you could see, actually, it looked like the market is going to recover. So we hit the low and we started bouncing up, try to come back and test the low again, failed, created a higher low. I could kind of say this is a higher low, another higher low. Now we're above this level right here. And this is where I entered this trade. I put it in, it was actually in the money at that time. So I collected a large premium for that. Now, as soon as I entered the trade, of course, the market said nope. And we sold off from there, going all the way down. There was pretty much no break, no bounce. I mean, there's little bounces, but nothing like this. And basically, I was looking for this type of bounce somewhere over here, that was over here to be here, but it never materialized. So at the end of the day, you have to then take the put or the call, wherever you may be trapped. You have to take it and roll the trade. So it's pretty easy to do. You right click on the icon, create rolling order, and basically this screen comes up, and then here you change the strike prices. I roll mine out as much as I can in terms of the strike without paying any more premium. So if I have to collect zero on it, I'll collect zero on it, but I don't want to pay like even $5 or $10 or anything like that. So I was able to roll this one down only 5. This one, I believe, got rolled down 10, and this one got rolled down 10 as well. This one was a little crazy because we were just kind of chopping around over here. And this is where that's where I initiated all the rolls right here. And this time I thought this would come sooner, but it didn't. But that last put, I thought we may even reach for 40.95. That's where the strike price was, but it failed, and it failed very fast. And I could have got the better position, but I didn't catch that opportunity. So I ended up with these for tomorrow. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. There was some earnings that came out today, not the greatest. So for starters, we had Expedia. They had EPS of $1.26 versus $1.65 that they were expecting. So they're down by 7.5%. Look out for Airbnb as a sympathy play. They're probably down as well. Now, Lyft absolutely got crushed. They had an EPS of negative 76 cents, but they were expecting 13. They're down 25% right now. And PayPal actually did okay. They came in line slightly better. They had EPS of $1.24, and they were expecting $1.20. The other news on PayPal is their CEO is leaving at the end of the year. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. It's options expiration. We hit not a new low for the month or anything, but this is definitely outside the range we've been for the past couple of days. So it's going to be pretty volatile with the options expiration, especially. And when you count everything out here, when you count all of this out, I did collect $2,415. So good day to collect premiums. I am unfortunately trapped in these puts right here, which I don't like to do. However, we will see what happens tomorrow. We have always the ability to roll them out till next day, or even for Monday or Tuesday, whatever the case may be. As long as we don't get trapped way too much, it should be fine. Hopefully, at least one of them will, or two. I'm thinking this one will expire worthless. These two, I'm not so sure about. We'll see what happens. So can't wait for tomorrow. Join me again, you guys, for another video after market close on Friday, where we'll see what happens with these puts. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.